Thank you for joining and namaste to all you friends and learners. This short video about sharing is part of a series of about 240 videos we have produced, bringing to all of us the wisdom of great minds. So on sharing, first quotation is from Kabbalah. A candle loses nothing by lighting another candle. So this is sharing light. You are sharing light. You are lighting another candle. You are a candle. You are full of light. Light is life, energy, knowledge. That you are sharing and bringing that light of energy, wisdom to others. You are a teacher. You are sharing your knowledge. You have written wonderful books. You are lighting many other candles. And by lighting other candles, you haven't lost anything. You only have gained the joy, the pleasure of sharing. So just like service is the reward in itself. Similarly, sharing is the reward in itself. Fred Alan Wolfe. How I share myself with the world. How I share myself with the world creates my world. The more I share suggests my kindness, my willingness to give. So the more I give, the more is given, and the more they are recipients. So everybody benefits. How I share myself. There are many ways you can share yourself. One is not to share yourself or share anything you have contributed. Keep it to yourself. That is one meager, small-hearted, small-minded way to share. But if you are sharing generously, even finding things, acquiring things that you can share, acquiring or enhancing your capacity to share, that is a good move too. How I share myself with the world creates my world. If I share with stinginess, if I'm a miser, I have a lot to share, but I am sharing small-hearted. I don't have a big heart to share more. Then the world will respond in the same way. There is a lot in the world, but the world will share a little bit with you. If you are more generous, more kind-hearted, more open-hearted, and you are sharing the maximum you can, you will see the result will be the world, the nature, the whole universe will share in abundance with you. This is a more emotional quotation by Jalaluddin Rumi. If you see someone without a smile, smile as an indication of being unhappy, unsatisfied, in pain, suffering. If you see someone without a smile, give one of yours. Give one of your smile. Which means not only the smile, just you are giving, just spreading your lips and smiling, but you are giving your kindness, your emotional support, your good wishes to others if they are in despair and unhappy or suffering. So if you see someone without a smile, give one of yours. And the last quotation by Alice A. Bailey. is to bring our attention to the opposite side of sharing. In other words, consequences of not sharing. The key to humanity's trouble has been to take and not give. The key to humanity's trouble has been to take and not give, to accept and not share, to grasp and not distribute. The key to humanity's trouble has been to take and not give, to accept and not share, to grasp and not distribute. So this is the trouble with humanity. Now to change humanity into a happier, prosperous, healthier humanity, the idea of sharing and the concept of service is good for all of us. Thank you for listening, and we'll meet again soon.